So for me, I'm going to Ediba and Peninsula TV. So send any that Edin can I so over subscribing or like and commenting or share. Open so good so Edin in Finsia Edun more for a benya. Na Enra na na woda na open so a tituni and intini I am for Kukudam. A mamma pennyfo any Mercibijafo, one mina better up him so cheap. And my median a come up na and what you know. Ana ɔpem so de wɔn kɔɔ fie mpanin si yɛmfa yɛfo mpa nhyɛn mmɛn sɛ nti ɔpem so de wɔn kɔɔ fie ama sɛbi wɔn kɔka wɔn ano kakra wɔ ne jubili hɔ a wɔasi no foforɔ wɔ manhyia fi kɛseɛ mu na abere a wɔn kɔpie aseɛ no asantehene de nsɛm no bebree na ɛto dwa ama wɔdeda mpanimfoɔ a wɔbɛtaa n'akyi nyinaa ase ne titiriw ne ɔkyehene ɔsagyefo amotiefo panin wɔda no ase papaapa na Gamanche nso ɛbɛtaa n'akyi na dodoɔ no a ɛka sɛ nkran ɛne wɔkye deɛ watumi wakame wantwiwankyi da yɛn ntam daabi ɔpem so sɛ ɛnyɛ saa na ɔno wɔhwehwɛ deɛ ɔhwehwɛ ne sɛ nokorɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ koroyɛ ne wɔdɔ ɛna ɛbɛkɔ so atena Ghana asanteman ne wiase afa no nyinaa yɛ ntam ne sɛ nti ma ɔdeda mpanimfoɔ bebree ase da ɛtiti no ani ntim bi a wɔne wɔn adi ahyia mfinhyia bebree wɔn ho wɔn akyɛ wɔn a wɔn nyinaa atwa ahyia ama ɔda wɔn nyinaa adi na ɛnam so ɛma ɛyɛ ne ho kani a mekyerɛ ne dabrikyi ɛyɛ Lady Julia ɔno nso ɛka kwan a ɔpem so ɛfaa so ehu no na akɔyɛ anika asɛm paa na ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa abusuafoɔ ebi sɛ nyinaa ɛkɔ na ɛkɔkɔhwɛ bi.
Come back to celebrate another 25 years again here in this hall. And I'm happy to see my brothers here. Otumfour, Okyenhene, he's, look at him there. And then Niga, Tate, they all decided to come. Niga has been here for the past 3-4 days to stay with me here, to be with me. And then Otumfour also came yesterday to be with me tonight. And he said to me that he will come back next week also to be with us. But I thank you, Nananimo, and everybody, the singers who were invited here. I can't mention everybody. I can't. But I know I insisted that I wanted a list of Ashtown people to come. I told my office I want Ashtown people to come. And the people that I have not met for years, I said they should come. Celebrating 25 years of my being asantehene. And therefore, I thank you all. Kwabena Samoa, is he here? He's my brother from all over. Yes. Kwabena, stand up and let them see you. We played. In London, we used to go to that penthouse. Kwabena, you sure remember that? Yes. He would come from Nigeria, and Mami Wata would follow him to here. This evening was meant for my friends and people that I've known for years. It wasn't meant for officialdom. Next week, I'm holding a dinner for my foreign minister, the distinguished ministers and all that. But tonight, it was meant for people that I've not seen for years. Clifford Quarton, for example, has been in London for years and he's here. Kwame Otumfour is also here. People that I've not seen for years. That's why I wanted for them to be here, to be with me. I've had my guests from South Africa, my son who is a farmer, who is also here to be here with me. He flew in today to come with his wife because I said to him that you have to be here. And therefore, Asamoah Boateng, who has been serving me for years, is here. Leon, my son. And Bill, you are looking after the lands, you are retired, but you still have to continue looking after me. The Pardo who left me for Nigeria for years, I feel that I've not been able to go around. Protocol has not allowed me, but I would have wished to do that so that I could see everybody who is here. That's the position you put me. Ashtown people, that's where you put me, so I can't come closer to you now. But I wish I can do that. But I thank you all in a deep sense of gratitude for being here tonight. I assure you and I promise you that the confidence that you've had in me, I still will continue with that promise, and I would do my best, and I promise you I'll lead you with truth, honesty, and integrity, and anything that comes out of me will be with integrity, would be with the truth. So that I assure you, on my 74th birthday, that I don't count. Because people feel I'm not right. People said I'm not. Someone said, you are saying this king is 74, he's not. Because I think they've increased his age for them to feel that he's the king, that's why they are saying that. So I accept that, but I'm 74. My mother gave birth to me on the 6th of May, 1950. So people who doubt it, I'm still mine. But anyway, I look after myself. And therefore, I'm not going to go now. I'm here. God willing. The only person who knows I'm leaving now is God. He can decide. And if he decides tomorrow, I will go. But I would have left my mark. But before that, don't wish that I'm going. I'll be with you all through. Good evening and thank you very much. All those that I couldn't have mentioned your name, I thank you very much for being here. And I wish for your prayers. I can survive in this position with your prayers and support. My dear wife, I've always said, has been very supportive. Please pray for her and let her also get the strength to support me. I thank you very much. Thank you.
And so to 99, which
Excellencies of the High Table, Nananum, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to this most special occasion, the 74th birthday of my dear husband, Otumfuo II, which also coincides with the very auspicious occasion of the 25th anniversary of his ascension to the throne of our beloved Asante Kingdom. Otumfuo's reign has been characterized by his remarkable achievements in peacemaking, nation building, development, education, health, and building bridges between the international community, Asanteman, and Ghana as a whole. My dearest, I congratulate you on all your exemplary achievements. To say I'm proud of you would be an understatement. Otumfuo and I first met when I came to Kumasi as the Legal and Corporate Affairs Officer of EcoBank Ghana. I was tasked with giving the vote of thanks for the inauguration of the first branch of EcoBank in Kumasi. He tells me that he was mesmerized, that at the end of the ceremony, even though it had started to rain, he refused to leave, despite the prompting of his courtiers. He made sure he found out who I was and how to get in touch with me before leaving the event grounds. That evening, I was summoned by my managing director, the late Jonaka, to dinner at Otumfuo's residence. Little did I know that I was auditioning for the role of a lifetime. And here we are, 22 wonderful years later, and many beautiful children, grandchildren, nieces, nephews, and an amazing extended family, including Nananum and Nanahimanum. Special mention must be made of my late mother-in-law, Nanefia Kobi Sewampem, asantehene, who blessed me with this wonderful husband and many, many conversations filled with advice and love.